In this video, I'm going to locate the onboard diagnostic connector. This is on a Subaru on a 52 plate. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. But will it be on these things now? No, okay. It's just underneath there. Next up, let's have a look. See where we can locate the fuses and the relays. Oh. Oh. I don't think there's any in the glove box. Nothing there. And with that open, we head over here, and it's just got it straight on there. Open that, and there you go. On the other side, you got the diagram. I think it's where we're looking. Yeah, that's it there. So it corresponds exactly to that.